welcome back. I want to show you something really quick. I had to run out to the grocery store yesterday to grab a couple of things, and I found something I was not expecting to find. I found these beautiful bone-in, skin-on split chicken breasts. And in the past, I've not really bought them because I didn't know what to do with them. But several years ago, I got some on a good sale like I did yesterday. And I thought, you know what, I'm just going to try this. So I want to share with you guys a very easy recipe that you can do whenever you find these on sale. Okay, so into the bag are my bone-in, skin-on split chicken breasts. We're going to use my recent favorite vinaigrette. It's this lovely lemon basil vinaigrette, the Newman's own brand. Use whatever you want. The nice thing about when you're quick, when you're doing a meal prep or you're doing something just really fast, the nice thing about using a bottled vinaigrette is the seasonings are already balanced for you, right? So you don't have to put something together, it's already done. All right, so we got that in there on the chicken, an ample amount, about half cup, 3/4 cup, depending on how much poultry or whatever item you're using. You just want it a little bit sloshy in there. Not super sloshy, just a little bit so that it's going to get on that poultry. All right, now I'm going to zip it up really nice and tight. And then that's going to sit, I'm going to marinate this time for about an hour. Then, when that's finished on the marinade, I'm going to show you how we're going to use Great Grandma's old roaster pan. You know I love these things. You guys have seen me use these, right? And I'm going to show you how easy this recipe is to finish out in this. Okay, now our chicken has been marinating for about an hour, so we are ready to get this going. We're going to turn our oven on 350. So this will go into a preheated 350 oven, all right? Now, into your little roaster pan, because you can sear right in these little doodads. I love these pans. My grandmother had one. I was just fascinated with it. All right, now, you get your pan good and hot. Whew, these are so big. And then into the hot pan, this goes skin side down. Now, when you pull this out, you just want to drip off most of that marinade, okay? I'm not gonna pat it dry, but we're gonna drip off most of it. And I'm gonna crowd my pan a little bit on these to get both of these in. But in the eventuality of it, that won't matter so much. Okay guys, now we're just going to sear these off at a nice high temp until they get good and golden brown on their sides. Okay, now we're going to pour off some of these drippings just to save, just in case, because I haven't decided what side dish I'm going to do with this yet, so I want to make sure I save some of these drippings. My heat-proof measurer right there. Okay, now this is going to go into the oven, and because these split bone-in chicken breasts are really large, they're probably going to take about an hour. So they're going in at 400 degrees until done. Now because these chicken breasts were so thick, I wanted to just absolutely be certain that they were done, so I'm using my thermometer. And we're registering at 199. Remember, if you check meat like this, make sure that the thermometer part doesn't touch the bone. Okay, so I'd say they're done all the way through. Okay, now our chicken is ready. It has rested and it's ready to be sliced up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And then we're going to serve this up for dinner, guys. Doesn't that look amazing? And it was so easy. You saw how easy that was. And it was from stuff that I found on sale, or the chicken that I found on sale. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, please do that, because that helps us out so much. We're having so much fun bringing you all these ideas and hopefully helping you with what's for dinner as well, right? And if you do try this, give me a comment on that and tell me how it worked for you, because I love to hear those comments from you guys. And we'll see you next time on Things Team Does.